Hey guys, welcome back to Shruti Arts. I am back with a new video, and in this video we are going to paint this t-shirt, this purple t-shirt I bought. So yeah, I am really excited because this is my first time painting on a cloth. So I think it will turn out really good because I am going to paint something cute over this portion on the t-shirt. So now let's begin. So as you can see, I folded the sleeves backwards and I have this piece of cardboard, and now I'm going to place it in between of the t-shirt. You will do the same if you are trying this out, and if you're trying this out, make sure to share with me on my Instagram. I have mentioned the link in the description. And now as you can see, I have placed the cardboard neatly where I am going to draw or paint, and I'm going to place it nicely by which I can draw perfect. So I have brought this Apsara glass marking pencil for my outline of what I'm going to draw today, and as you can see, it works really good. And I'm going to draw this 3 cartoon, that is We Bear Bears. I like this cartoon so much, and if you do, make sure to comment down in the comment section. And now we are going to start this drawing the outline. So before starting, let me secure the area with the masking tape by which my borders will be cleaned nicely and I'll not get any rough edges. So let's secure it, and I am going to make a square with these, and after that I am going to make its 3 parts by which I can draw 3 of them on my shirt. So as you can see, I'm starting the outline. I'm starting with the face, and I think this is quite easy, and like this is really easy for me. And just first of all, I'm drawing the basic shapes, and after that going for the details. And I'm using white pencil for this because of white pencil I can see the outlines clearly. Or you can just, if you want, you can trace the outlines on the page, but these outlines were quite simple, that's why I directly drawn it on my shirt. But if you want, you can trace it by first of all drawing on a paper, and after that tracing it with help of a carbon paper. So as you can see, I have drawn these 2 bears, and now it's time for the third one. So as you can see, I have completed my outline, and now I'm going to start painting. So I'm going to use acrylic fabrica colors. So yeah, now let's begin. So as you can see over here, I'm starting with blue color. I have made this pastel blue color with help of acrylic blue paint and added some white paint to it. And now I'm going to paint this. As you can see, the cloth absorbs the paint really well, but make sure to use thick paint, otherwise the paint will get out from your cloth while washing. So make sure to use thick consistency, and don't worry, this paint will not get out of your cloth while washing. Just don't be rough while washing this cloth, be soft. And as you can see, I have going to complete the part which I am coloring with blue, and I'm going to make different colors using white color. So this will need a large quantity of white color, so make sure to have 2 or more bottles of white color with you if you have small ones. Apply 2 to 3 layers on each other of the same paint. This will give you a nice look on your shirt. So now let this dry completely, and now I'm going to paint the other one with light pink color. So I have made this with crimson, that is red color with some white color. So this makes this pastel pink color, and I love this color so much. If you do, make sure to comment down in the comment section, and subscribe to Shruti Arts for more content like this. about to complete my pink color, and yeah, it's done almost. Yes, it's done. And now I'm going to paint the other part with pastel yellow color. So for this color you will add some white to your yellow color and you will get a lighter shade of the yellow, and this looks really nice and bright. So I really love the background. So now let's complete the background nicely by applying 2-3 layers on one another. So as you can see, I have completed the backgrounds and now it's dried, so it looks really nice. So as you can see, I'm painting this with white color, and the areas which has white color I'm going to paint all of them once only, and don't just worry to erase all the outlines, just go for it. We will do the borders at the end of the painting by using a permanent marker. So this part will be in the video ahead, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So as you can see here, I have applied one layer and this turns really good. So as you can see, my white color is done, and now I'm going to paint with some golden brown color. So for this I have used brown and added some white to it, so this looks really nice. And I'm going to complete this bear with this paint. So let's complete all the characters by painting. as you can see, I have completed all the stuff, just this last part is remaining. And yes, we are about to finish all the stuff. So now I am going to use this permanent marker for my borders or all the expression I am going to draw. So just be confident while drawing these borders, otherwise you will get some rough borders. So for fine borders, just do it in one line and complete the borders. So as you can see here, I am going to complete all these borders with this permanent marker. So let's finish it. So my drawing is almost completed and I am really happy for all the results I have got with this painting, and this turned out really cute. So now I am going to remove the paint. I am done with my painting and now time for the satisfying part of the painting. So if you like this part, make sure to comment down. I really love removing these steps, and as you can see the borders are really fine and I love the result. It turned out really cute. So this is how it looks like, and if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button, comment down and subscribe to Shruti Arts. We are going to come up with really nice and fun videos for you all guys. So make sure to subscribe Shruti Arts and press the bell icon to get daily notifications.